Hi students, now let's look at question number 2 of page number 57, exercise 3.4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions using elimination method. In that question number 1, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is a fraction? Question number 2, in that first one, a question related to fraction, isn't it? We have already done similar kind of a question in the previous class. So we will first assume that let the fraction be x by y, isn't it? For that, let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Then therefore the required fraction is x by y, isn't it? In the question it is given the fraction becomes, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Fraction reduces to 1 when with the fraction, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Okay, from the fraction, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. This is the first condition. Okay, in the same question one more condition is given, that is a fraction, it becomes 1 by 2. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. Fraction becomes 1 by 2 when if we only add 1 to the denominator. The fraction we have is x by y. If we add 1 to the denominator, if we only add 1 to the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1 by 2. Okay, what is a fraction? We have to find the fraction. Okay, so here what we will do is we will just solve this part taking cross multiplication here. X plus 1, y minus 1 into 1 is equal to y minus 1, isn't it? We can take y to this side, so x minus y equal to, taking 1 to the other side, minus 1, this minus plus 1 goes to there and minus 1, that is minus 2. Okay, so we got equation 1. Here also we will do the cross multiplication, so 2 into x, it is 2x equal to 1 into y plus 1, that is y plus 1. Okay students, now taking y to the other side, that is 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay, so we got equation 2. We have two equations which we can solve using elimination method to get the value of x and y, isn't it? So we have x minus y equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y equal to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. If we look at both the equations, we can see that y terms are equal, isn't it? Both the coefficients of y terms are equal. Here coefficient of y is minus 1, here also minus 1. So we can directly go for subtracting both the equations to eliminate y term, isn't it? So we will just subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so before subtracting, we will just change the sign of the second equation. So this is positive, we will put a negative sign. This is negative, so we will put a positive. This is positive, we will put a negative sign. And we will subtract. Okay, so x minus 2x, it is what? X minus 2x is minus x. Okay, x minus 2x minus x minus y plus y, that is 0. Okay, so minus y plus y is 0. Now equal to minus 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, therefore x equal to positive 3, isn't it? Minus x equal to minus 3, therefore x equal to 3. We got the value of x. Now we need to find the value of y. For that we will substitute this value of x in any one of this equation. We can substitute in this equation. Okay, equation 1. Okay, so that x is 3. So in equation put x equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, so here we have equation 1. So substituting the value of x 3 in equation 1, we will get x minus y, that is 3 minus y equal to minus 2. Okay, so that therefore minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3, that is what? Minus 5. So minus y equal to minus 5, therefore y equal to positive 5. Okay, students. So finally we got, therefore x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Okay, therefore the required fraction x by y equal to 3 by 5. This is a required fraction. Hope it is clear. Take it to notebook, students.